By the way, my name is Chachawan and now I am a student from Auto Mechanic at Tiny Technical College. My friends from ET. Today I'm going to show you how to build a personal computer. Everybody knows what it is. Others call it desktop computer. You know, it may seem difficult at first, but once you are used to it, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Believe me, you will enjoy doing it. There are plenty of great PCs in the market or in the world, just like over there. But you know, there's nothing quite like satisfaction of using one that you create yourself. So before we start, know that this is a guide exclusively dedicated to assembly. That means you need to pick out the part first. Compatibility is the most important factor in building a personal computer. Whether it's Intel platform or AMD platform, and make sure that the components are compatible with each other. You may ask your local computer suppliers about it. Here are the basic components you need in building your personal computer. Casing with power supply, and this hard disk drive, and this is CD-ROM drive. So, the motherboard, the CPU, you see that? The RAM, the cooler, the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse. So, before you start building your PC, you need to get your workspace ready. And make sure that you have all of your parts and tools ready. At the very least, you want a screwdriver. And of course, you want space or table. Oh, and now we're set. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you for answering. Listen to me and eyes on me. Step 1. Prepare the motherboard, the main circuit of the computer. Step 2. Mount the CPU into the motherboard. So, be careful with mount the CPU because it's easy to be broken, and if it's broken, it's so expensive to buy it. Like this. See that? Yeah. And next, we're going to connect the CPU cooler on top of the CPU. Like that. Yeah. Screwing it. Make sure that screwing it tightly. Like this. The CPU will cool down. The CPU cooler will cool down the CPU when your PC is working. This is the CPU cooler. So next, we're going to attach the RAM into the slots. So when you attach the RAM and when you hear the sound click, yeah, it's me. It's okay. Yes. And the next, we're going to mount the motherboard into the case. But at first, you need to lay down like this. And mount the motherboard into the case. So be careful because it's easy to be broken. Maybe when you mount them, the circuit maybe is broken. Something. And if it's broken, it's so expensive to buy a new one. And we're going to screwing it by using screwdriver. And make sure that you're screwing it tightly. This. So next, we're going to connect all of the cable, all of the wires. And here is the power supply cable. Here, and this one. And here is the wire of the hard disk drive. And here is the power button. Like this. And after that, we're going to close the cover case. You see? It's easy, right? So we may now connect the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse. So here is the power supply cable. Here is the monitor cable, and here is the keyboard cable. skill. Alright, so we may now turn it on. And finally, select a compatible operating system, such as Windows 10 or the older version, like Windows 7 or Windows 8, and just follow the instruction to install. But we will not to do the Windows installation because it takes some time. So, when your Windows and drivers are all updated, it's time to start using your PC. Install some game, stream some movies, edit some photo or video, share on Facebook, whatever it is you like to do with your PC. And remember, you don't need to be an IT expert or electronic expert to build your PC, just like me. I'm auto mechanic, I learned how to fix a car, but it doesn't mean I can't build a PC. See, it's working, it's easy, amazing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
So if I can do it, so you can do it too. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy and learn something from my demonstration. Thank you, and have a nice day.